Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project which is delay circuit using 555 timer. The components required for this project are one 555 timer, one LED, one 470 microfarad capacitor, one 470 ohm resistor, one 10 kilo ohm resistor, one battery, a battery snapper, some connecting wires and breadboard. First, take IC 555, keep the notch on left side and the pin start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now place IC 555 on the breadboard. Now we will short pin number 2 and 6 and pin number 4 and 8. Now we will connect pin number 1 to the negative rail of the breadboard. Connect pin number 8 to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now take a 470 microfarad capacitor. Connect the positive terminal of capacitor to the positive rail of breadboard and connect negative terminal of capacitor to pin 6 of the IC. Now take a 10 kilo ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to pin number 2 and another terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now take a 470 ohm resistor and connect its one terminal to pin number 3 of the IC. Now take one LED, connect its positive terminal, that is longer terminal, to the another terminal of resistor and the negative terminal, that is shorter terminal, to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now let's connect a battery. After the battery is connected, the LED will turn on after some time period. There is a small delay in glowing of LED. So this is how you can make a delay circuit using 555 timer. Thank you.